Yeah, I understand it. Okay, now this time I'm going to try and do the anvil duplication glitch my way. I'm going to place individual blocks everywhere, single placing them, and when I am done, I'm going to put the entire pile in the upper left corner, fast move that one first, and then fast move every single other one of these. Now I started with a 64 stack because it's easier that way, but you can do it with any of them, between 64 and 2. And I did that. And then I do move it on there, and as soon as I do that, I can put it back on the anvil and take it off again. And then it adds an extra 64 stack. And I do this again, and do it again. I just have to make sure I don't press the fast move before it appears right there, or I lose all of them, and it's irritating. And I just do this back and forth. I do it with 64 just because it makes an exact stack every time, and it's a lot less frustrating and time consuming. And this is just going to be me doing this for a couple seconds. And as soon as I get all of these, I just make them into diamonds. And it actually makes so many diamonds that if you look at the stacks of floating diamonds, it reduces the frame rate of your game a lot. It's really weird. I freak out all of my friends when I do this. And I've had 2 or 3 friends ask me to show them how I do this. So that's kind of why I'm making this video. And now I just make them all into diamonds. Because if I don't make them all into diamonds, then I can't ever use them. And I make more diamonds than I can hold in my inventory, so I literally vomit diamonds everywhere. And it's lots and lots of fun. Speaking of vomiting, my friend is throwing stuff at me. A lot of my friends also complain when I do this that their inventories will instantly be filled with diamonds as soon as they walk past me, because it makes so many, it literally turns into a giant ball of diamonds, like a disco ball looking thing of just diamonds floating on the ground. What? Yes. My friends always complain that they run out of room. And what you do is, once I make them all into diamonds, I make them back into blocks, because making them into blocks takes up a ninth of the space if they were just diamonds. And it makes it a lot easier to store them. Yeah, I'm not even nearly done making them into diamonds either. It is literally, every time I do this, I feel the value of diamonds dropping substantially. And I think my headset just died. Yep, there it goes. it literally takes forever to make these all into diamonds. Like, look at that. Look at that big pile of diamonds and blocks. But she's been making them into blocks while I was making them into diamonds. And what I do now is I usually have a crafting table right near me. There's one right there on the floor. And what I do is I just click on that and make them all into blocks, which takes just as long as it took them to make them into diamonds. This is really time consuming, but you'll have so many diamonds left over. Oh my. And if you look, the diamonds are not disappearing from my inventory because I can pick up diamonds just as fast as I can make them into blocks. So I'm literally vomiting blocks right now instead of the diamonds. And all the diamonds are almost picked up. So there we go. Now I'm getting blocks now. I actually go onto my friends' worlds and do this for them just because it's so fast and I get so many diamonds. And like I said, a lot of people ask me to teach them how to do this, and it's kind of hard to explain unless I can let them see what's going on in my inventory. Oof, one diamond short of another full block. Whoopsie. Did not mean to do that. No, it's here. I think, which one of these do I put my stuff in? I put all my diamond equipment in one of these. Here it is. Where did my diamond pick go? Okay, here it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the diamond duplication glitch, so there, and there. That's about 5 full stacks of diamond blocks. And if you divide that by 9, you get how many diamonds there is in it. And it's a lot.